boys. Must have hit a lucky streak.
Hey, she's not on a lucky streak.
I don't think anybody can, except for that crazy lucky streak of yours.
Lucky streak means a period of unusually good luck or success.
That's a poker face right there. That's a poker face.
Could you have a lousier poker face? Just tell me.
Good. Let's see that poker face.
Poker face means a facial expression that shows no emotion, especially in a game of poker.
Duck, right?
You must understand. If I were to give you a testimonial, it would make me a sitting duck to any prosecution.
How come we gotta sit here in the dark like this?
Because I don't want to be a sitting duck if they show up out there.
Sitting duck means someone or something vulnerable to attack or criticism.
My turn now, Smarty Pants.
That's right, Smarty Pants.
I love having a Smarty Pants fake girlfriend.
Smarty pants means someone who boasts of being very clever.
They're a dime a dozen!
Cowhands are a dime a dozen right now.
Yes, sir. She's the victim. Dime a dozen.
A dime a dozen means very common or abundant.